Hello, my name is Gina and I work at the Archer Branch Library. May is National Arthritis Awareness Month. Arthritis is a disease that affects the joints. It causes pain, stiffness, and inflammation. For those of you who are having problems with arthritis in your hands, or perhaps you know someone who does, I'm going to share 5 helpful tools that you can use that will make these simple everyday tasks, which you're now struggling with, a whole lot easier. The first tool I'm going to show you is compression gloves. They fit snugly over the hands, leaving the tops of the fingers exposed. Now, research has been done on compression gloves and the effect they have on arthritic hands, and the results do back up the fact that they help. They help by providing support and warmth to stiff, swollen fingers and hands. My second tool is a battery-operated jar opener. For those of you who've been struggling trying to twist a tight lid off of a jar, this product will make your life a whole lot easier. It is very simple to use. You simply set it on top of the jar and push the button. And there you have it. It works on all sizes. The seal is so tight on new jars at times that it's difficult for even a person without arthritis in their hands to be able to open it. But particularly with someone who has stiff, swollen fingers, this is a godsend. And this is my third tool. It's a bottle opener. Actually, it's such a handy tool that it can grab hold of the ring on a pullback can, take the tab off. It can pop a bottle opener with a metal cap, or if you're having trouble opening water bottles or soda bottles, this is a must. You simply put it on the cap, twist it, and there you have it. It is very simple to use, and it is a multi-purpose tool. My fourth tool to share with you is an adaptive pen. The pen is structured so that the thumb and forefinger are holding a very fat surface. This is particularly good for those who have arthritis in their thumbs, or what's also called as basal joint arthritis. It affects this bone down here. So when you hold a regular pen, you're gripping more tightly, and that's putting a strain on your joint down below. But if you're using a fat pen, it takes the strain off this area in here. It takes a little getting used to, but once you've got it down, you'll find a lot of relief. My fifth and last tool is a utensil. This is obviously a fork, an adaptive fork, but there's also knives and spoons. They again have the fat handle like the pen, very easy to hold. It takes the pressure off the hand joint. And again, it takes a little getting used to, but it will take the pressure off. And I think it will be a big benefit for those who can get used to it. Now, all the tools that I have mentioned can be bought in stores or online. But there are some things you may have at home that you can modify to ease the pressure on your hands. For example, the fork. If you take some material, some cloth, perhaps wrap it around the bottom, attach it with a rubber band, simple step like that can make a world of difference. So I hope this has been beneficial for you, and I hope you share it with those you know who are struggling with arthritic hands. I'd also like to remind you that the library has a wealth of information on the topic of arthritis. So come see us soon and check out some of our wonderful books or use our e-sources. Thank you.